Hey, hi, parents and students. When we say about career by chance and career by choice, what do you prefer? Definitely by choice. And that is what exactly we are going to discuss today. That is how the career by choice is better than career by chance. Let me tell you, gone are the days wherein BSc I was doing and a job in bank, or an a BCom guy was looking out for some marketing job, or even at times was doing an MR job, or an MBA finance guy was doing marketing job, or vice versa. Things has drastically changed, and you know why? Because we have come up with NEP, New Education Policy. This has made every individual more specific, more career centric. It is not about just passing your exams or doing my BSc, BCom, BE, BMS, or BBA, or n number of things, but it is about doing something in a very focused manner. And that is why each and every parent and student should understand you should not let your career happen by chance, but it should happen by choice. Your career should not be chosen on basis of your mark sheet, but on basis of your interest. And beyond that, there is something called as personality. So your career should be including your interest first. Second aspect is your personality, and then comes your marks and all. So even if a child is getting 90%, don't insist him to go for science. There are chances that he or she might do good in arts, commerce, because there are n number of verticals into arts and commerce these days, n number of certifications these days, and that makes a wonderful career. So let me tell you all, as parents and students, see to it that be very specific, because nowadays the process has become more important. You need to follow the process. If you're doing something by chance, at times it might work, but if you see, not all the dropouts are successful. There are only few people that we can count on hand those are successful, but majority of the time the students go into depression later on. They get into anxiety in the later age because they have not taken a proper decision when it was required to be. So it's my request to all the parents and students to see to it that you hire a consultant or a counselor who will help you in terms of choosing a career. Talk to the people who are into industry. Those people will help you to make a wonderful career. It is very important to avoid the future problems. If you really want your child to do a wonderful career, and if a student want to go to the peak in whatever he has planned for, see to it that you consult a right person and see that you make a career by choice and not by chance. Hasta la vista.